Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to convert JPG to PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Click on File, Open. Click here and make sure to select all files. So for that you will see the JPG file. Now open the JPG file. Here's my JPG file. Now let's convert it to PDF. Click on File, Save As. Select where you want to save. Click on Save. Here you can see the PDF we just converted now. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you.